This will be my second video. The first one didn't come out very well, of a how-to to put this waterfall card together. I'll link the kit in my Ko-Fi shop so you can find it. I have tremors, so be patient. The first thing we're going to do is score along these lines, all the score lines. And now we are going to bend back at each score line. We're going to fold those back and forth so they move freely. Then we're going to put glue in the sections in between the score lines. We're going to take the cards and place them evenly in between each score line. Don't lay it down until you have it even, or wherever you want it. Get it as close to the score line, but not on it. Then take your second card, measure, you don't have to measure, place it against this one and just move it up till you're as close to the score line as you can. You don't have to use glue, you can use double-sided tape. Now we are going to, in this tail, back. These I like to bend back. Just so I know they are going to flip freely. So the tail we bring back, these stay forward. turn it over. These two tabs, these tabs, it's the only thing that gets glue. Don't get any glue on this tail because it has to move freely. So I'm going to fold this tab over, put some glue, just a little bit. You don't want it oozing out and getting onto this. The only part that's going to get glue down to the page is these two tabs that we folded over. I'm going to let it stick for a couple seconds. See where it didn't score very well right here? You can put some lace over that. Let's pull this down. Put on our pull tab, which is this. I'm going to hang it off the edge a little bit, because for this to fit on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, this tail couldn't be as long. So the pull tab makes the tail longer, and you'll be able to pull it down. Just don't get too much glue so that you've glued it to the page. Now we can flip it. It'll lay flat. You can journal. I wanted to show you where I put the lace over the top of the score line, so any mistakes you make, you can fix. I had also stamped beforehand on the white part of the card. You can also put some lace up on the top. It still flips fine. If you don't get your cards exactly on the score line,